Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today is 2025 July 23rd, and it's time for trading in Asia, and it's 8:23 a.m. in Beijing. So welcome to my channel. This is Trade Unite Observer of Crypto Group. Thank you for your watching, and I hope you can subscribe our channels. We can share more valuable information for all of you guys. I hope you like it. So let's see about just yesterday's performance about Bitcoin and Ethereum. We can see that in Ethereum is actually it's broken the upward trend, and now it's just entered into the structures in this block. Now it's around 3,748. Still very bullish, but we still need to be considered about this big semi gap and in the whole structures. And Bitcoin is also the same time. But we can see that there's also very strong supporting in these areas, and now it's around 120,000. It's still very bullish, but we can just see that there is the power speech in just nearly, so we need to be careful, and maybe it's not very a good time to trade. So let's just see about just yesterday's the famous traders, their suggestion, or there some kind of advice. So let's see about it. So first, let's see about Vivian. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so Vivian said, I will answer. When it's faced to short again, I close early morning shorts for now. Sentiment is still very bearish. Can't long. A longer surge on long liquidity sweep is expected unless we see another 4 hours close below TGIF cat short. So that is down in mode. I think I would wait for 4 hours close to tradable. Play A, 4 hour close below TGIF short till midnight. Plan B, 4 hour close above TGIF still a short till midnight, but wouldn't trade this range, known as 170,000, 170 and 77 to the around 120,000 at London hours instead. Depends on the 4 hours and the daily close. I'll wait making trade decisions. So the plan B means sentiment is bearish till midnight, but we long at 170k, not 150k like originally planned. Entry should be around London hours. It's not easy to short between now and Asia Open. I suggest you don't. Asia to London is shortable. So daily close update no change, a very minor retracement expected at London hours. I mentioned multiple times that its positions goes red in the midnight when building. If you can see that TP whenever you want, don't disturb others with your emotions. We planned LTC long at 110. It would front run from 170 to 180. Solana low is 200. So all mainstream tokens of 2021 pumps tomorrow. Trump announced tariff with Japan. So that is, Vivian said that you still need to consider that don't trade in the Asia time. Maybe it's the time for shortable, but you have to be careful about it. So that's her suggestions. He also marked it in the FIB, the golden pocket to golden pocket, and that is what he said. So let's see about Johnny. Okay, so Johnny said, I think this, you can see this chart, 112k to 110k retest is the place I would add a lot of additional risk and be comfortable deploying. Maybe it never comes, but I will think that next 2 or 3 weeks it eventually comes in, especially with the low values and tariff deadline August 1st. FOMC next week, and then tariff deadline August 1 could provide an opportunity to get max long. The market through sorts for next 2 and 3 weeks. So I close my longs in profit in trade A. I'm kind of confused on what happens from here. So just going to secure leverage profits and wait for the next opportunity. Good close on longs. I'm not in rush. Close above 120k and we push the highs in more. That is Johnny's ideas, so we can just fit. And Roger. Okay, the Roger said I didn't trade Bitcoin yesterday. We stayed in a tight range as expected. Monday session took out her highs first, then slowly moved down to 3 weekend lows. Tuesday open with SFP on Monday's below, but long taken because I was asleep. Still no cooling structures inside the range. Not interested in trading the middle. Ethereum also showing signs of weakness, trading below weekly open and the BT low. Solana is still showing strength. Altcoins offered better setups yesterday. Bitcoin was mostly a low trade for me. And the morning setup is the market context. Bitcoin stuck in a large range now, building value mid-range again. We printed a potential weekly swing high, not the cleanest, and not confirmed, but worth noting. Patience still the key, waiting for extremes of the range. SFP of Friday's low still in play, some setups as yesterday. So he just gave us the key levels 150k, 130k, 600 and 112k. So and short up is at around 180k, 600 and 121k to 121k, 600. So that's the Borgia set. And the Daniel said mainly that at the moment because it was the first I've used, I instantly like it. To be fair, I have no properly tested Quant Tower, but I believe they are very similar. I would like to see price go to 120k next, but we need to clear the triangle trade line resistance first. Very important to flip that to support before we target 120k. That is perfect setup. I love it. Daily opens with SFP the previous daily low and now rising to PD VAH. When things comes together like this, it's a draw to trade. So a heavy draw during New York IB, but I will remain long. Okay, Daniel is also very careful about it. Okay, so that's today's sharing. In addition, we add a new channel. The X, you can see the lab is also a very famous community. We will test their traders can Lala meets data clients. If they have a very good performance or they have some valuable suggestions, we will also share for all of you guys. So now it's still the time for testing them. And yeah, that's it today's sharing. I hope you like it. So that's all of it. See you tomorrow. Enjoy.